guys, so I was just getting ready today. I'm going to a daytime kind of party with my husband's family, so I just want to kind of do a sort of daytime glam look with you guys. If you'd like to see how I put together this daytime glam look with some new products that I have been dying to show you guys, these are some makeup items that I'm not sure, but I feel like a lot of people have never heard of them before, and I said I'm so passionate about them and they are so amazing. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. Some makeup that I think is absolutely amazing and I don't think a lot of people have heard of them. So guys, if you'd like to see how I did my daytime glam, then just keep watching. So guys, it is the daytime and I hardly ever film a video in the daytime. So that's why you can see my face is a little bit puffy because I just woke up. I'm going out today with my husband, so we're going out with his cousin. Let me see what I got here. I took out some of my favorites for a glowing, I'm going to focus on glowing skin and probably a pretty neutral eye. You guys know I would love to pop out the cherry lips, so I always love to use some kind of SPF 50, so I'm going to use this today for a glowing tan look, and I'm definitely going to work on my brows as well. So I'm just going to put this on. This just makes your skin glow. So that's where we're at with that. And so today I want to use this, guys. I've been using this a lot and I didn't get a chance to show it to you guys. So this is called the Soleil de Tan de Chanel Bronze Universal Bronzing Makeup Base. So I actually thought for the longest time that this was like a bronzer that you just used on your contours, but then the other day I put it right on top of my skin, all over my face, and it looked so amazing under my foundation. So ever since then I'm so hooked. I know that looks crazy, guys. I'm so hooked on it. Guys, I gotta be honest, I'm really hot with this robe on, so I'm gonna take it off. I do have my towel on. Plus I want to work it all over, you know, down here so it matches, because I'm not actually this tan. But I'm gonna put some of that tanning cream on, the wash off one, so it's all gonna match. I'm gonna do my brows, guys, and I'll be right back. So guys, I just put on my brows and I'm just gonna use some of this Lancome Sourcil Styler. This is some Lancome just brow gel, and I really love this brow gel because the brush is really great at really hugging onto each hair, so it really distributes the gel really evenly through your brows, and then it also works to distribute all of your brow products really well. So that's, for this brush, I just love it. So precise. That's another thing. It's just so precise at grabbing every tiny little hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. I'm going to do, I feel like doing my eyeshadow right now, so I'm going to prime with my Morphe concealer that I love. Once you get hooked on doing your eyes, it's just addicting. It just makes me so happy. And you know what, if something makes you happy, life, you know, so there's so much, you know, going on in the world. Like, if something makes you happy putting on eyeshadow, that's wonderful. And it's like, if somebody wants to stop you from doing that, that's so strange. Why would anybody want to stop you from doing what makes you happy? Especially, you know, when you're not hurting anybody and you're not hurting yourself. So guys, before I jump into my eyes, I just want to put on some of this Colorescience Total Eye. This is so amazing. This is a 3-in-1 renewal therapy. So this actually is a concealer, a color corrector, and it also is like an eye cream. It's cooling on your eyes, so definitely if you wear this during the day, it's immediately cooling. It feels so good. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. The applicator is so cooling that right away that helps to depuff, and then you just pump a tiny little bit out, and then right away it's gonna work to brighten your under eyes and conceal your dark circles. So I definitely have super dark circles under my eyes, and this totally works to conceal my under eye circles, but then it also depuffs, and you know, it brightens, and it just makes your eyes look so much more wide awake and amazing, and it actually feels so good. So you're getting in a color corrector, a concealer, and an eye cream in one with this product from Colorescience. So I absolutely love this, and it does have SPF 35. It has SPF 35 in it, so I just love SPF. It's so important to take care of your skin. And I just love how this product also treats fine lines and wrinkles and helps prevent them in the future. So you just use it all over your eye on the orbital area morning and night, and it just helps to prevent dark circles and fine lines and wrinkles. And it's so lightweight, you can just push it into your skin with your finger. You don't need brushes. I actually wear this every day. And they are having a special right now where you'll receive a free gel eyeliner with the purchase of Total Eye. Just use coupon Total Eye AC. I'll link everything below, and you will receive a free gel liner with your purchase of the Total Eye. It's just amazing. It's so lightweight, and so it's totally weightless. So it's just so great for every day, for situations, even if you're not wanting to have a glam look, like maybe at work or before school. It's just gonna brighten you up, and it's really amazing. So, and you only need the smallest amount, and it just instantly is gonna depuff and brighten, and it's truly amazing, guys. And another item that I had been dying to show you guys, and I never got to show you, is these. I'm gonna use this today actually. These are these Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows. So these are so gorgeous. And it comes like this. These are actually magnetic, so you can just carry it like this, and you can throw it in your bag, and they're magnetized together. So, and it's fun. I don't know, it feels good in your hand, like you're playing with like poker chips or something. But inside is just the most gorgeous, pigmented, smooth eyeshadows. And I said, why have I never shown you guys these before? Because I know you guys love makeup, and if you love makeup, you will love these so much, because it just makes you look amazing. And isn't that the point of makeup in a way? You know, you want to look amazing. So this is actually eyeshadow that makes you look amazing. So now I'm going to open up this Melt, and I'm just going to use this really gorgeous color right here. This is called Antique. This comes actually in a stack, so I believe this is called the Rust stack, and then they have different stacks. So I'm going to take a really super fluffy brush and just put this all over my crease area. Your shadows like that, isn't that just beautiful? You don't even need to do a lot more. It's done. So now I'm going to go back into my stack here, and look at how gorgeous that is, guys. But for the daytime, I'm going to keep it a little bit more neutral. Is that the word? I'm trying to keep it a little natural, guys. So this is Rubbish. So let's put a little bit of this gorgeous color. Oh, that's so pretty. I've never used this color before. Oh, that is, oh god, guys, isn't that gorgeous? I feel like a lot of people don't hear about Melt Cosmetics, because I just think that's so gorgeous, guys. Isn't that wow? So, such gorgeous color. Unique, you know, I love that. I love unique colors. That is so gorgeous. Maybe I'll just put a drop of that darker color in the crease. Just a drop, but I'm trying to keep it natural, guys, but you know I can't. Oh, that is gorgeous. So guys, this is called the Rust stack. I don't even know if they have it anymore, because I know it was sold out for the longest time, and I was so happy when I saw it at IMATS that they had it. But they have so many gorgeous colors on their site. So now I'm just going to take some of my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner. This is Lucky. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes, and then I'll be right back. So guys, I'm just letting my lashes dry. They're on my eyes and they're drying. So wish me luck. But I just used these Ardell lashes today, because those are, for me, these are a little more natural. So guys, I do have on that Colorescience. Isn't that amazing? I do have on my primer, and I will just put on, I'm just going to put on a little bit of foundation. I'm going to take some of my Laura Mercier powder and just push that right into. So now we'll just set the contour with a little bit of contour powder. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara just to pull the lashes together with my faux. And this is the Lancome Big Monsieur. This is so amazing. So if I didn't have fake lashes on, this actually makes you look like you have fake lashes on. I really love this mascara because I had been using different mascaras and sometimes they were splashing or they were staying very wet, so they were kind of like winding up on my face, and somehow this one gives you that huge lash look, but it doesn't get all over your face. It stays put, it stays where you placed it, so that's why this stuff is amazing. So guys, I'm just going to use some of this. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation. So I just love to kind of just push this into my skin just to get everything looking very, you know, well blended, especially right in here, just to get, especially I don't want any harsh lines. And this just gives you a really totally flawless looking complexion. So, okay guys, now I'm going to do my lips. See, I'm going to leave the highlighter off for today because we're going natural. that's my idea, natural. I won't put on my blinding highlighter today. And then I did also get this from Octoly, guys. So this is from Guerlain. This is called KissKiss Uplift. So I'm so glad I was able to get this because I had been trying this in Sephora every time I would go, and I wanted it so bad. But it is a little bit pricey, but it's so worth it because it's a primer for your lips. To put on this primer and it plumps your lips. It makes your lipstick last longer. You know, it fills in any kind of ridges or any kind of cracking. So this is from Guerlain. This is the KissKiss Uplift, and thank you so much for sending it to me from Octoly. So I got this beautiful lip from Jeffree Star. This is Designer Blood. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. This is just a NARS lip liner in Mariachi. So guys, this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just going to go put on my outfit and I'll pop back in, and so I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and curled my hair, then I brushed out the curls. And guys, I'm so happy I found my Red Rum lipstick. This is the Jeffree Star lipstick that Wendy had sent me. And I love this lipstick so much, and for some reason I couldn't find it the past week. I was so upset, but I just found it, so I went ahead and put it on. Guys, definitely check out Wendy's channel. I'll link her below, but she's just such an amazing friend to me and to so many of you dolls. So thank you so much, Wendy. I love this so much. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to be on my way. So guys, thanks so much for coming and getting ready with me today and checking out my daytime glam look. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!